I'm gonna offend a lot of narcissistic people, but I'll be glad when y'all start admitting that you moved foul and did people wrong, instead of being delusional and acting like people did you wrong, when in all reality you did what you did and put yourself in a position that caused you to lose everything and everybody that genuinely cared about you. Then y'all go and find cheerleaders that support your foolishness and believe everything that you say, instead of finding people that will be honest and tell you that you're wrong and need help.
You ever found yourself in a toxic relationship without even realizing it? There's a sneaky behavior that narcissists use to manipulate others. It's time to shine a light on it. Did you know that narcissists often lack empathy and have an inflated sense of self-importance? I've cracked the code on dealing with narcissists. Get ready to take back control of your life. Welcome back to my channel, where we dive into the depths of psychology and personal development. Did you know that narcissist behavior is on the rise in society today? It's a shocking reality that we need to address head on. Today, we're going to unmask the fear surrounding narcissists and reveal the truth behind their behavior. Narcissism not only impacts personal